What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Grammarly Plagiarism Checker. So let's get started guys. So firstly, just go to your Grammarly app or let's say website like this, and you'll be redirected to this particular platform, which is your Grammarly's home screen. And then what you're going to do is guys, on this My Grammarly option you'll be having this all documents, and now just go to this new upload option. And then over here you'll have to, let's say, type or paste something, or even you can upload a document over here. So I might be having one, or let's say I might be having this one. So over here now on your right hand side you'll be having different options. Just go down all the way and then you will see plagiarism check options. So you can just press on it, and then it will automatically start checking your plagiarism. So that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. That's pretty much. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.